Hey guys, I'm Path and you are on the tutorials for Laravel for beginners, and today we are gonna see that what we have installed in the previous episode. So we installed three things: a composer, and MySQL Workbench, and last thing was XAMPP. So we will see that how to install uh, or how to create a Laravel project today, and then we will see that how does it go. So at the very first, you can see I'm on the laravel.com website, and you need to go here and you need to go to the documentation. Then they have mentioned all the installation steps. So the step is only one, which is quite simple. You can see that here it's written Laravel utilizes Composer to manage its dependencies. So before using Laravel, make sure you have Composer installed on your machine. So that is the reason why I have told you to install the Composer, and we will see it that where it helps. So now you can see, like, here it's written that you can install it via Laravel installer, but as we have already installed Composer, we can directly create the project. Like here you can see that here it's written via Composer create project. So so you can just directly copy this thing. So you can directly copy this thing, and I'll show you that. Just open your command prompt or the terminal window, whatever your OS is, and you have to go to the htdocs folder, which is like, I'll explain you later on when we'll start XAMPP. So I'll just go to the root, and so I'm at the root, and now I'll go to XAMPP htdocs. So this is the folder where all your projects will be stored. So I'll just paste the command. You can see that I have written the same command here, and this preferred dist is something like it will install the Laravel's latest repository, and it will clone it into your htdocs folder. So it's okay if you don't run it with it, because this also takes the latest one but the development build, so it's okay if you can use both of them. So here let's put the name as blog only. So this blog is basically your project name. You can write it anything, like if you're making an e-commerce, then e-shopping, right? But let's just put it as blog here. So what it will does is, like, it will create a blog named folder and it will install Laravel into it. So let's do it. You need to wait for some time until the Laravel repository gets cloned into it, and then we are ready to go. Meanwhile, let's start XAMPP because we will need it now. So here you can see that is XAMPP control panel. So you can see this dialog box, and you can see it's written Apache MySQL. This is the two things which you will need while running a Laravel project in the htdocs folder, which we just created. It's still creating it in background, but it will create soon. So let's start Apache and MySQL. So you can see they are getting started on port IDs, like ports are 80 and 443, and MySQL as the default port is 3306. So it automatically generates like these ports, and it runs on that. So this is what basically Composer is, that it installs all the required packages for your Laravel app, and and we will install many of them by manual action, because we only install the things which we need, because it also increases your app size, and it's like not good for your app that keeping not required things. So let's speed it up the process. So you can see like the Laravel is created, and it was a long process, but it is like, because there are lots of packages getting installed which is required by Laravel. So now as we have already started the XAMPP, Apache and MySQL server, we can directly go to our browser, and we can just click on localhost and block and public. So basically these projects of Laravel like have a public directory which has your index.php file or htxs file. So you need to go to that path to open your project. So when I'll click on this, usually it does not take that much time, but yeah, here we have Laravel installed, very fresh and new. You can see like here they have mentioned the docs and various features, but no need to worry, because your Laravel is set up and now you can start the development. So the next thing was Laravel's database, like, because as we have installed MySQL Workbench, we will be working on connecting a database in the next video. So stay tuned, and yes, I'm looking forward for you to set up your own Laravel project. So please, from the next video, you should have a Laravel project, so that you can be in the loop with me. Okay, so yeah, see you soon in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and if you're new, then hit on subscribe. Thanks for watching.